Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Evelyn of Obobi's Couture. Today I'm here to show you how to fix your tassel earrings back to its normal shape or its original shape. So you bought your tassel earring and it was like this, smooth, nice and flowy. But after wearing it for some time and storing it, you see that it turns into something like this. Bit messy due to storage factors and other things. So how do you get them back from the messy state to this? That's what I want to show you today. Let's watch. Yes, so to help straighten our tassel, we need steam, and you can get steam from a steam iron, kettle, but it's not everyone who have a steam iron or kettle, so we are going to use something that everybody will have access to. All that you need to have is fire, a saucepan, and water in the saucepan. As you can see, the water is boiling, and as the water boils, it brings out the steam. If you can see the steam, all that you need to do then is to hold your deformed tassel over the boiling water so that the steam that is coming out of the water will straighten your tassel for you nicely. So you hold it over the boiling water. As you can see, the steam is helping it to straighten out nicely, just like that. So after holding it over the steam for some time, this is how you have it, nice and flowy. So there you go, all nicely done. Your tassel earrings are back to its original state. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button, share with your friends, and let them also know how to fix their tassel earring. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below and I'll be glad to answer you. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye bye.